Hey there, welcome to our official channel of WebOsmotic. I am Rahul Desai with 6 years of experience in IT industry. I am working as a team lead at WebOsmotic. I have some useful information to share with you. This will help you a lot in your work. Let's get started and learn together. Hello everyone. On the last video, we have discussed about libraries which we are using on the project, structure of the project, and the connection with MongoDB. So we are continuing this flow and we'll discuss on this video about verification flow and the verification email, how we can send verification email, how we can do the authentication things on the project. So let's get started with the authentication first. So for the authentication, I have created one folder and added 4 files for that. Controller, routes, service and validation. Start with the routes. On the routes, I have added 3 routes: login, refresh token, account verify. And the controller, same, I have created 3 functions. First one is for the login, second one is for the refreshing access token, and third one is verify the account. So let's get started with the login function first. So starting on the function, I check the request body is valid or not. If valid, then we can move further. If not, then we will return the error. Next, I have created one login user service file where I can check user is valid or not, their verification is done or not, their password is valid or not, that kind of things. And if everything is working, I have created one function, generate token, which helped me to create the access token and refresh token. For now, I have used 1 hour expiry for the access token and 8 hours expiry for the refresh token. You can change based on our requirement and the security reasons. That's all. So let's start with the live demo. I already added one user on the database. When I refresh the table, yeah, we have the user, and I didn't verify yet. So let's start and try to log in. Will it be working or not? So yeah, it's not verified. Due to that, I got the error. Let's get on the email and check. Yeah, we got the email and have verification code as well. When I click on verify your account, verification has been successful. And now I'm trying to log in. Yes, I got the access and refresh both the token. For the security reason, you can do one thing, or everyone do the one things, like whenever the access token is expired, we are creating both the token again, so that if our access token is tapped for someone or from the hacker, they only access our system for 1 hour or the expiry which have the access token. After that, whenever a token is expired, our token is created again, so that last one is never useful for anyone. So that this is the good practice we need to follow. Like whenever the access token is expired, we will create both the token again. And you can see also when I send the request, I got the new token every time. So this is the things we need to follow in each and every projects. And yeah, so the next things we are discussing about is authentication, verification emails. We are going on the credentials. Okay, on the credentials, we are create auth client ID. They request for some of the details like project name and so many things, and you need to also verify your auth consent screen as well. Okay, so I have already created, so I'm going on inside the folder, and yeah, here is the name, here is the authorized URL, and this URL is same for all. So I have also added on the description. You can get that URL from the description. And additional detail is client ID and secret, which we need to use in the project. So here is the things to send basic email using Google Cloud Console. First one is client ID, second one is client secret, and third one is refresh token. So we have 2 details here, like client ID and client secret, but not their refresh token. So how we can get that? We need to use the authorized URL here. and when we pasted this URL, we can get this kind of layout. We need to add here a scope for the email. So that email scope is this: https://mail.google.com. And whenever you click on authorize API, you can authorize to access and get the access and refresh token. But before verifying or authorizing these APIs, you need to add your client ID and client secret here for the configuration. Without this, you cannot access the refresh token and access token, and you didn't send the email as well. So make sure these things. And yeah, whenever I added all the details, whenever you add all the details on this one, you need to verify or authorize API again. Yeah, continue. And yeah, now it's ready to give you the refresh and access token. So I use this access and refresh token on the project, and let's see it's working or not. So I'm replacing this refresh token here, access refresh token. Whatever token you need to use, you can use. I have used refresh token here, and I try to create new user, and let's see will it be working or not. So I'm adding new email like with 12 and create the user. User has been created, and now see email is there or not. Yep, it is. So you can use this all the details to verify or send the verification email to the user using Google Cloud Console and the authentication functionality on your project. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you found the content is valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and looking forward to your feedback on the below comment section. See you in the next video.